I am in the hustle and bustle and dhamal of this Holi, today, this evening on this busy street, as you can see. So there is a lot of nice, wonderful, advanced stuff which I get to see here, which is of course not seen before. So as you can see, alag tarah ka pichkari and water guns, right from of course these big ones to hathode wala, like these super 3, 4, 4 feet kind of water guns, and there are these you can see the gun. And then of course you can see here which of course I didn't get to see earlier in the holy time, is of course a lot of these masks, as you can see. So you can just be whatever you want to be, man, from all of these the colorful masks, and whatever character you wish to to be or hide yourself. And you know what, the most exciting thing I see is, which is very very different, is at this time, is this cylinder. So ये जो fire extinguisher जैसा लग रहा है, this actually is not that. It's actually a gas cylinder full of color and gulal. So you got to actually press this, and the color will last for a couple of hours, and he's telling me it's about 1500 rupees, 1500 rupees, and this is not bad at all, man, no. So imagine lifting this, is going to be quite a task. So इसको उठाने के लिए एक आदमी भी चाहिए, साहब आपको पीछे एक assistant or probably. So this is one of the most wonderful innovations I get to see, and in this advanced time, the way Holi is progressing forward, and of course besides the regular, of course the routine colors, as you can get to see here also now, yeah. So